Hi, so today I'm going to show you how I removed this Closetmaid shelf system and transferred it. So first thing you want to do is you want something sharp and pointy to dig out the silver nails. And once you prop that out, it can be a bit fiddly, but once you've got it out just a little bit, you'll then use some pliers just to grip the nail and pull it out. Once the nail is out, you can go ahead and just pull that out of the wall. So it has these little hooks that have, what are they called? Brackets or plugs or whatever inside. And then the nail, when you nail it in, is what helps keep it firm in the wall. Okay. So that's it really. Taking all those down now. And this is the empty wall. And I collected all the nails and the pieces. Thing is, I'm just finding which drill bit will fit in that hole perfectly. So you just want to measure in between the spaces. I mean, you can change the the distance as well if you want. Make the shelves narrow, like taller or lower. But I'm already happy with what they did. And when I measured it, it's about 14, well yeah, it's 14 inches from the middle of that hole to the middle of that hole. So that's perfect for me. I don't need to know the width because I'm just going to go, I've left these on, so I'm just gonna mark them as I go along the wall, so that's fine. Yeah, let's measure all that. And these will be the same distance. And then I also measured the distance between this and the first hole, which is 11.5. So that's fine as well. So let's go ahead and try to move this shelf to another wall. So here's the closet that the shelves would go into, which yeah, I need a lot of shelves in here. So I went ahead and I removed that top shelf there. Then I've gone and marked I marked along the lines every 14 inches that I need for the shelf heights. The holes from the existing shelf from before, I'm going to keep those and reuse them as the top shelf, just instead of drilling more holes than I need. So there's already one side bracket that was in there from the old shelf. So I'm just marking the distance of that from the wall and then the distance between each one of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and repeat that along the lines for all the shelves. The next thing I need to do, because now the shelves would be opposite to how they were before, I'm just removing the end caps from one end of the shelf and putting them on the other side. And then now the hooks that I left on the shelves, I'm just marking them with a pencil where they will go. So with that, I can just hold the shelf up to the wall along that line and mark exactly where the hooks will be. The hooks really don't need to be this precise. You can just space them out as long as they're even. So I have all my brackets and shelves and the end pole and the nails. So I'm ready to get this on this wall. So my next step, now that I've marked all my points, is to drill all the holes in. Then I'm just going to erase the pencil mark. Next is to insert the brackets into the holes. You just need to push them in, and you need a hammer for this. And you just bang that right in. The next step now is to follow with the nails. Yeah, they're now ready for the shelves to hang on them. Once you've got the brackets in the wall, the rest of it is pretty straightforward. You just clip the shelf into the hooks. And once you've done all that, then you just go ahead with that end pole, which doesn't, you don't have to nail that onto anything. You just hook the ends of the shelves all in, and it just keeps them straight. This is my first time doing anything like this, and it was really straightforward. And now I have a wonderful closet with lots of shelves. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful. Bye.